here.
I got the puff and everything and the nose ring.
Look at that great smile. Give me 1 second. Are you thinking of doing color or black and white?
Just black and white.
Black and white. And did you want to put it in a sleeve or in a black border? The black border is 10 and the sleeve is 5.
Do I have to?
No.
No, just the
Drawing?
picture of the
Okay.
face.
10 even.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I saw the other one you did with those 3 people. That was really good.
Yeah. Are they your friends too?
One is a bar.
Nice.
Okay. Thanks, girl. Hey guys, the last one I did looked nothing like me. It was a man.
Oh God. I'm so sorry. I didn't do it, I'm sure.
I think it was in New York. Or no, South Carolina.
Oh man, that's a great smile. What's up? All right, here we go. Are you ready? Almost ready. Let's see. Add a little bit more to it. Okay, stand right over here so I don't put my light plug there. Perfect. All right, here we go. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
She's like, I've been ready. Oh, stay right there. Man, this is the most difficult tear I've ever had to do. Woo!
Oh, this is prettier than me.
Get out of
This is so good. I
here.
got the puff and everything and the nose ring. Bro, this is so good.
Thank you. You rock. Put it next to you. See if we can take a quick picture. Hey.